If you're building a business in the wellness space, then let's talk about how to diversify your income streams. This is incredibly important for a lot of reasons, but many people that I talk to feel daunted and overwhelmed about how to build multiple income streams. So if that's you, then I want to invite you to a very special free live workshop that I'm giving together with Practice Better, which is an incredibly useful platform for health and wellness professionals that you've probably heard of. And we are going to be giving this presentation live on Thursday, February 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific, and I'm going to be teaching you exactly why building multiple income streams is such a smart strategy for your business. Plus, I'll be going into detail about how to do this without burning out, trying to create a ton of offers and products. We'll also talk about which income streams are best to start with, especially if you have a small audience. And I'm going to share with you the 6 different streams of income that you can build starting today. I really hope that you will join us. The link to register is in my bio, so head over there right now and save your seat.